Good morning. Today's Monday. The week has started. We've got a lot of work to do. So follow along with us. We have to be finished in 4 days, and I have to be on the road. So it's going to get fast and furious this week. What time is it? It's coffee time. And time to run some more errands.
Thank you.
Got my large black coffee. I'm good to go. I didn't film inside the FedEx store out of respect to the lady who was working there. She said the corporate cameras would document the shredding process. Going back to the U-Haul store for more packing tape.
Do you want the small one or do you want the bigger one?
The bigger ones?
These are 30. I do have a 55.
Oh, okay. I'll take a 55.
Right on the end on the other side.
55. I'll take. You know what? I'm gonna take two.
No. And then your billing zip code.
99615.
There you go. Did you want a receipt today?
No, I'm good.
Okay. You're good to go then.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. I love this
You
tape.
too.
It works
Oh, I
well.
do too. Yes, it does.
It's good tape. Got more tape. Let's get back to packing. I'm closing out today's episode here in the tent. I wanted to play with the lighting setup and see how I can get things situated. Anya and I are going to be on the road in a few days, and just want to see what the options look like inside the tent here. Got a lot of things done today. We really just put our shoulder into it and got a lot of the rooms packed out in the house. Got lots of boxes, tons of boxes lined up in the house, ready to be loaded. We're just waiting on our logistics. We made some good progress, made a bunch of phone calls this morning, and we'll know in a couple days if everything turns out. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good night.